Ken is the next person that will hold flag bearership of NPP, New Patriotic Party. Whether you like it or yes, Makawie, Holy Spirit endorse it. Miss my endorse it. Nobody can change it on this planet, this Ghana. Nobody. Nobody. I did bet my son say be obewu. Nenso onyengui. So no wudi a. Ye de bet my son. Second wu a, but onyengui. Me bompa. Se me say na owu kra e be ma bonsan for kra nyame. So what I say, intimacy me bompa nso ngu. But Ken, you need to come and see me. Yes. You need to come and see the prophet. Yes. Because I prophesy about this about 2023. And then 2024. And then this 2025. Yes. Let's say 2 years. That's right. July. Yes. Exactly 2 years.
Let's say after the crowd came we.
Yes. This is a prophet. So what I say, and God has spoken. God has said it.
Yes. Come on.
Who is a prophet? This is a prophet too. This is a prophet. And you have to mention come to say makato dada. Makato when you find Onyankopon di huni.
Yes.
Odi huni.
Yes.
The prophet of God. And it will surely come. I've seen several. Before me mabon tebeka no, I mean confirm na me hu ato so severally. Nti nyafe na me beka kan Japan. I was the first person to prophesy about kan Japan. E wo ba obeba. But time no oba ne de. The Saturday for we so come oba. And I'm saying no. Mo hu ade ni ya na. What is this? Mo ya me nkrofo ka se tie di for. Ba mo ntie medi ye no. Na mo pa mo fen ko se mo nkom se Yakobon prince mo de ya. De make bi an ensesa so many years ni. In conscience feel that. But mark my words and see. Mark my words.